Well, I think we went through the internet like everyone else, right, and started looking, and we went to obviously the big name, right, Clear Choice, and we found it to be very impersonal. You know, like we were getting pitched by a salesman more than someone who was interested in really fixing the problem. So we shopped around. We went as far as Seattle, Washington, but ultimately we wound up here, and I couldn't be happier with the results. Very, very good. I would say to anyone who's anxious about the experience that you just put that aside, because the end results are worth all the effort that you put into it. Well, I mean, my history is that I've been probably kicked out of 20 dental offices in my life because I'm a very bad dental patient. I have an extremely bad gag reflex, and I just have really given up on finding a dentist or anyone that would take on the project. And certainly you guys were up to the challenge, and I have to smile and prove it now. Yeah, it's a learning process, you know. We just mentioned that I'm not used to having so many teeth. I had no teeth in the back. My teeth in the front were held together with dental glue. That was a mess. And but it is a learning process, and I'm still a little tender, but every day is getting better, and I have a lot to smile about.